Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I give reviews about skincare products, so in today's video I will drop the review of Total Glow Half-Cast Lotion. In this video I will tell you what you need to know about the lotion, the benefit, side effects, and how to use it. Total Glow Half-Cast Lotion with Alpha-Arbutinate, a skin toning milk lotion. The lotion contains niacinamide plus turmeric, vitamin C, and tretinoin, kojic acid, glutathione injection, and salicylic acid. Total Glow Half-Cast Lotion create an even lighter skin tone all over the body, specially formulated to improve the skin's texture and helps balance your skin tone, infused with natural organic oil. The toning milk contains niacinamide, turmeric, and vitamin C, which helps to smoothen your skin, and glowing effects. It's amazing active with lightening and glowing agent that gives the skin an instant glow day by day. Your skin will become much lighter and fresher. Also note that the Total Glow Half-Cast Lotion is a whitening lotion. It helps to whiten the skin, with the ingredients used to formulate the lotion shows it a whitening lotion. The vitamin C will help to brighten your skin color. How to use Total Glow Half-Cast Lotion. Apply the lotion on a cleansed skin twice daily, morning and night. Don't mix the lotion with any whitening serum or oil because it might be too harsh on the skin. Also note that dark skin can't use the half-cast, it mainly for fair skin. Benefit of Total Glow Half-Cast Lotion. 1. It whiten the skin when used regularly. 2. It help to smoothen the skin. 3. The vitamin C in the lotion also help to brighten dull skin. 4. It helps to balance skin texture. 5. The lotion also makes the skin flawless and silky. Side effect of Total Glow Half-Cast Lotion. It has no side effects, but if you don't want more whitening, don't mix the lotion with a whitening oil. Only those who want to whiten their skin more can mix it with a whitening oil. Have you used the Total Glow Half-Cast Lotion? What is your review about the lotion? Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.